Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Rising Star Academy. Today we will start exercise 1.1, chapter 1 and question number 3. So let's start now. Question 3, use the sum of difference identities for the cosine to write each expression as a function of theta. So we will use the identities. So here I would write the identity to simplify. Let me write. Okay, we will use this identity to simplify it. So let me write that is cos of my A value is 0 degree and my B value is theta. So now I would write it. So cos of 0 degree into cos of theta plus sine of 0 degree into sine of theta. Now we know that the cos 0 would be 1. I would use the calculator to simplify it. So let's check cos of 0, that would be equals to 1. So I would write the result 1 into cos theta would be written as it is. Sine 0 would become 0 and into sine theta would be written as it is. So 1 time cos theta would become cos theta and 0 time sine theta would become 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So this is my final answer. Now move to the next part. In next part we will use the same identity, that is cos of A minus B, to simplify it. So let me write. Now we would apply this. So cos of 90 minus theta. 90 is my A value and theta is my B value. So cos of 90 into cos of theta plus sine of 90 into sine of theta. So I use the calculator to find the cos of 90 value. So cos of 90, that would become 0, and sine 90, that would become 1. So let's put the value. So 0 into cos of theta plus 1 into sine of theta. So now that would become 0 and 1 times sine theta would become sine theta. So our final result would become sine of theta. That is our final answer. Now move to the part C. So in part C it says cos theta minus 180 degree. So same identity would be used. Let me write. Okay. Cos of my A value is theta, my B value is 180 degree. So that is cos theta into cos of 180 degree plus sine theta into sine of 180 degree. So cos theta would be written as it is. We will check the cos 180 and sine 180. So cos of 180 would be negative 1 and sine of 180 would become 0. So I would replace these values. So cos of 180 would become negative 1, sine theta would be as it is, and sine 180 would become 0. So now minus 1 time cos theta would become minus cos theta and 0 times sine theta would become 0. So my final answer is minus cos of theta. So move to the next part now. Now for part D, we will write the value cos of theta minus 270 is equals to cos theta into cos of 270 degree plus sine theta into sine of 270 degree. Now I would simplify, so cos theta into, now I would check the value of cos 270, sorry. So for cos 270, that is 0, plus sin theta, and for sin 270, that would be minus 1. Now simplify, cos times 0 is 0, plus minus minus sin theta. So the final answer would be minus sin theta. Thank you.